Me Do by the Beatles. Let's get started. Hey, hey, Aaron Smith here. Love Me Do by the Beatles. Fun song to play. This is real fun. Pretty easy once you get the feel of it. So it's going to start like this. Of course, the harmonic. And of course, I can't bend the notes, so you just got to kind of, fill it out here. So it'll go up. See, this will all do with like a rhythm. You got to really get this in there. So it's starting. It goes like this. Of course, it's John on the harmonic up here. Just like that. And then you start singing. It goes, love, love me too. You know I love you. I'll always be true. So please love me. So we're just working that one at a time. So the bass actually makes this thing. Love, love me too. You know I love you. I'll always be true. So please love me. And then you come back to this do. Love me do. So it's pretty easy. Pretty easy. And then that other part goes, someone to love, somebody new. Someone to love, someone like you. Love, love me too. You know I love you. I'll always be true. So please love me too. Of course, there's a lead thing in it, which I don't do. I don't have that. But and then like I said, it goes. Love me too. You know I love you. I'll always be true. So please love me too. That other part. Someone to love, somebody new. Someone to love, someone like you. Love, love me too. You know I love you. I'll always be true. So please love me too. Oh, love me too. Oh, love me too. Oh, love me too. And then, just keep. Oh, love me too. Of course, it fades out, but that's the whole song. And then it's got the lead break. But there you go. Real simple, real easy. Love Me Do by the Beatles. Now you'll see your next lesson. Till next time. Later.